My name is Brad Kropp, and I'm the medical director of OKC Kids Urology. And I've been practicing pediatric urology for over 25 years and have treated literally hundreds of patients with bladder exstrophy. And what I find is that the more patients that I treat, the more interested I become in the disease process. And in addition to helping them, I also get information that really intrigues me about how to better care for these patients. Well, bladder exstrophy is a very rare birth defect, and it affects both the bladder as well as the urethra, the external genitalia of both boys and girls, as well as the pelvic bones. And these all have to be reconstructed so we can get them back inside the body. But once that's done, then there's a lifelong healing process, both from the physical side as well as the mental aspects, and also all the family aspects associated with having a chronic birth defect. Because there was very little educational material. When patients would come in, we didn't have much to provide them. We could provide them with a few, pages of information about bladder exstrophy. But I really felt in this new digital age that we could better communicate and educate patients as well as their families if we developed a bladder exstrophy app. And that's where we're here today to expose and understand the bladder exstrophy complex. Well, inside the app, you're going to find both educational material, both in the written format as well as in the video format. We also have sections on the frequently asked questions sections, as well as a forum section to try to get any specific questions answered. My team at OKC Kids Urology is made up of experts, world experts, both from the surgical aspect, as well as the psychology aspect, as well as the family therapy aspect. At OKC Kids Urology, we believe that bladder exstrophy, although it can be surgically corrected, some of the mental trauma as well as the physical trauma can last both for a long time for the patients as well as for the family. And therefore, we believe that we get the best results if we treat the entire family as well as the patient with regards to the bladder exstrophy complex. If it wasn't for the Black Foundation, who are the sole providers and support for the We the Bee Bladder Exstrophy app, we couldn't have done this, and we really like to thank their support for the development of this application. Yeah, we just want you to dive right in and open up certain sections and investigate. We'd love your feedback on these different sections so we can continue to improve the Bladder Exstrophy app. So just have a great time and explore and provide us some feedback in the contact page.